Considering a new venture? This video covers the essentials of a financial feasibility study. So, what is a financial feasibility study? A financial feasibility study is a structured assessment that determines whether a proposed business or investment idea is financially viable. This type of study is crucial because it forecasts future revenues and costs, identifies financial risks and returns, and helps you decide if the project should go ahead. Think of it as your financial compass guiding you toward informed strategic decisions. Now, why should you care? A well-prepared feasibility study ensures efficient use of capital, reduces the risk of costly mistakes, can be used to attract investors or get bank financing, and provides clarity on whether your idea will generate acceptable returns. Without it, you're essentially navigating without a map. A strong financial feasibility study isn't created in a vacuum. It's the culmination of other vital analyses. For instance, if you're launching a new product, a market feasibility study is vital to understand your potential customer base and market demand. If your project involves building a new factory, a technical feasibility study will assess the practicality and resources needed for construction and operation. The cost study then takes the technical concepts and turns them into detailed cost estimates. Commercial feasibility explores your sales and distribution strategies, while operational feasibility examines your day-to-day business processes. Legal feasibility ensures you can set up your company and operations within the legal framework. And tax feasibility analyzes the potential tax implications. Financial feasibility converts all these feasibility studies into a financial forecast that allows you to determine the financial feasibility and study how to get this project funded. Let's break it down step by step. Revenues. Here, you outline how your business will operate and generate income, including market segments, production volumes, distribution channels, sales volumes, sources of revenues, pricing analysis. This section shows the mechanics of profitability. Capital expenditure. This should provide clarity on the required investment budget. List all initial investments needed, such as equipment, construction, licenses, and technology. CAPEX is your upfront cost foundation. Make sure it's accurate. Costs. Costs are split into two parts. Direct costs like materials, direct labor, and shipping. And OPEX, including rent, utilities, maintenance, sales, marketing, and admin. Include both fixed and variable costs, since they directly impact your break-even point and net margins. Financial projections. Financial projections include assumptions, your key business drivers, an operational model to turn inputs into numbers, then the forecast, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and free cash flow. Add schedules for debt, equity, and wrap it up with financial ratios and key metrics. Financial ratios and risk analysis. Evaluate your project's financial health using debt-to-equity ratio, interest coverage ratio, net profit margin, liquidity ratios. Then assess financial risks like sales underperformance, cost overruns, delays in funding. Build worst case, base case, and best case scenarios to test resilience. Funding needs and sources. Determine how much capital you need, when you need it, and where it's coming from, including equity financing, bank loans, grants, or subsidies. Then match these with expected uses, working capital, CAPEX, marketing, etc. Clarity here helps potential investors trust your numbers. Preparing a financial feasibility study might feel overwhelming, but it's one of the smartest moves you can make to avoid costly mistakes and win over investors or partners. So how do you get started? Check out our library of ready-made financial model templates for various industries at eFinancialModels.com, or reach out if you need a custom-built feasibility study tailored to your specific project. The link is in the description below.